Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. Ramzan Mubarak. I am from APS Fort Road, Middle Section Boys. I'll be teaching you English today, and we will be discussing the work of week 5 for English language and English literature both. Dear students, this is the saying of Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, about namaz or prayer. Read it carefully and try to offer your prayers on time and regularly. Especially during Ramzan, make it your habit. I'm going to discuss English language day 1 and day 5's lesson today with you. If we talk about lesson number 1, it is from unit number 2, clean and green, and the topic is very interesting that you have to play your part and you have to mention your part to save environment. You have to refer to page number 33 of your textbook, and your task is that you have to make posters. You can make posters by using A4 computer paper, a chart paper, half chart paper. You can use one side of that paper or a chart to make drawings. On the other side, you can write down your tips to save environment. This is the detail of your lesson number 1, that what you have to do is that you have to write down tips on how to save water, how to dispose of the garbage at home, and tips how to save electricity and other things we can do to save earth. For example, plant trees, stop using plastic bags, using 3R principles. And to make your posters, what you have to do, you have to take 2 A4 size papers or half a chart paper, whatever it is available, that's fine. Make your drawings colorful and your tips should be written in bold. You can use permanent marker, you can write in bubble writing, and later on you can color it. You can use color markers as well. And once it is checked by your teacher, you can share it with your family members. Even you can share it in your WhatsApp groups with your friends and with your cousins as well. And for making posters, you can find different posters on internet. You can create your own. It's total your own imaginations. This is your page number 33, exercise number 1. Discuss the given questions with your parents, with your siblings, that what are some of the things you currently do at home to help save environment. At home, what you can do, you can switch off the extra lights, you can save water by not wasting it. What other actions you can take to do your part for the environment? Nowadays we are at home, what you can do, you have to place all your garbage in dustbin properly, and you can ask your siblings, your friends, your cousins to play their part to save environment. This is your exercise number 2 on page number 33. This is a diary entry. Some words are given in this box. You can fill it by using these words. This will give you an idea about how environment can be saved, or what that boy or that girl is playing her part to save environment. Okay boys, I'm going to show you some sample posters that will help you to make your own posters if you don't have internet access or any other thing. You can see that this is a poster where some ways are written to save your environment, like save animals, don't cut trees, do not litter, save water, stop pollution, recycle things, grow plants. And onwards I'll show you some of the more posters related to save environment. You can make posters in this way as well. This is another example of your posters, which is very colorful and which is very informative and very interesting as well. This is one of the example of another poster. You can refer to it. These are just samples that will help you to make your own posters or design your own posters. Ideas are totally yours. These are just for your help. Now we will be focusing on lesson number 5, and your lesson number 5 is about a review, an article or story. What you have to do is that you have to read an article or a story from a youth magazine or children's corner from newspaper. Choose a short story book if newspapers and magazines are not available. If you don't have a short story book, you can read any book on internet. Even you can open up your Play Store. You can find lot of applications related to very interesting books for kids. After reading your story or an article, you have to write a review. Write in your own words what the story is about, or what are the main characters. What did you learn, or what was new in that story? Or was there any lesson for you in that story? Your review should be about 75 to 100 words, and these are the main words. Articles, I, and pronouns, such words won't be included in it. Focus on main words, that is explaining the article. I hope my instructions are clear to you, and you will all work according to my instructions, and you will complete your work on time, and you will submit it on AIS. I thank you all. Allah Hafiz.